Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to today's first video. We're starting off with the 5-day forecast of today's first video. It's going to be 3 videos today. We'll be looking at the Beijing Climate Centre this afternoon for the coming month. And then this evening we'll have a look at Snow Watch, see if there's a potential snow event in the offing later on tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening, particularly in the north. We'll have a look at that on Snowwatch. Of course, this 5-day forecast will cover that time frame as well. But on Snowwatch, have a detailed look at just what the snow potential is tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening in the north and the west. We're having an unusually cold spell of weather at the moment with the winds in from the north. It's a direct hit from the Arctic. It's probably the coldest final week to April since 1981. So around 35 years it's taken to get such a cold end to April. Not sure many people necessarily wanted it, but there we go. It's been a long time coming. So have a look at the 5-day forecast for the first video, and we'll be using the charts from weatherout.com and weathertent.de. You find these both websites on the links page. And just say about the ads, there's links to articles on all pages. Have a browse through widgets and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in. Thanks so much for doing that. So this is the latest radar picture from the Weather Outlook, and you can see the showers are starting to break out again. We've got snow showers across the north and the east of Scotland. We've got showers breaking out widely now across northern England, Wales, down to south-western England. The Midlands, much of east and south-east England, still mostly dry at the moment, but these showers will break out. We've also got showers across Northern Ireland as well. So here's today's Arctic pressure chart, and it's a classic with low pressure to the east, high pressure blocking, a big blocking feature to the north and west, particularly around Greenland, 1,040 millibar area of high pressure up there, which means the winds are in from the north, and as I say, it's a direct hit from the North Pole with the air that we're getting today. Winds are lighter, the isobars have opened out, so we haven't got the strong winds that we had yesterday, but that means that the showers are going to take longer to move through, so there will be prolonged downpours of rain, hail, sleet, and in places some snow this afternoon. So that's how things are going to be developing today. We've got the showers in the north and west, particularly at the moment, breaking out, getting heavier and more widespread, and they'll turn more widespread across the whole country as we go through into the afternoon and the evening. Some of those showers will be wintry, even down to low levels. There could be some sleet and wet snow. On high ground, there could be accumulations of snow across the North Midlands, North Wales, the Pennines, and many parts of Scotland on hilly areas will be at risk of some fairly significant snow, accumulations of snow through the course of this afternoon. Excuse me. Temperatures will be ranging from around 5 to 10 Celsius, but when the showers come along, those are the maximums. When the showers come along, temperatures will actually drop further than that. So unusually cold today across the country. Those showers will rumble on into tonight. I've got a trough of low pressure beginning to develop to the northwest of Scotland. Showers rumbling on into the evening. Could give some rain, sleet or snow down across East Anglia and South Eastern England for a time this evening. Overnight, they'll generally tend to die back towards the coast again, with most places becoming dry, having clear spells. Again, unusually cold tonight, with temperatures widely dropping down to freezing. Some places could go as low as -5, and that's particularly in the north where we might have a covering of snow. But again, unusually cold for so late in April. And then that trough feature that was coming into the northwest overnight, that will develop into an area of low pressure as we go through Thursday, moving in again from the north and west. So most places will start off Thursday on a dry note with sunny spells. Of course, it'll be cold and frosty, but we'll have cloud and outbreaks of rain spreading into western Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of the morning. And then that will push across Scotland, Northern England and Wales through the course of Thursday afternoon, getting down in towards the Midlands by Thursday evening. And this will turn to sleet or snow, and quite where the boundary between rain to sleet to snow is, we'll have to try and firm up a bit on Snow Watch this evening. But essentially, in the north and over the high ground, you've got a risk of seeing some fairly significant snow, I think, on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. Probably rain or sleet at lower levels. As we get down into the Midlands, a greater chance there of it just being rain. And this will spread down into southern and southeastern counties, actually, on Thursday evening and overnight into Friday, and just give rain, I think, down in the south and the southeast. But watch this space and come back to Snow Watch tonight for more detail on it. Temperatures in the south, in the sunshine on Thursday morning, could reach around 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit, but once this cloud and rain spreads in, going to be cold, really, with temperatures of just 4 or 5 degrees at best. That low pressure is sort of stalling across the country as we go through Thursday night into Friday. So it is a difficult one to forecast this, but I think there's a risk of more snow, perhaps across parts of Scotland and northeast England maybe, on Thursday night into Friday morning. Could give accumulations though, because it's quite a prolonged spell of precipitation that's sitting in those northern parts of the country overnight Thursday into Friday, so you might wake up and find some snow on the ground in the north and northeast on Friday morning. Quite remarkable for the 29th of April. Elsewhere, a mix of rain, sleet, maybe some snow mixed in as well. Generally, the whole lot will turn more showery through the course of Friday afternoon, and the risk of snow will probably recede towards the highest ground of northern England and Scotland, I would think, through the course of the day. Some of those showers on Friday afternoon, though, could be heavy and thundery again. Temperatures, again, pretty cold, really, 5 to 10, about best we're going to see, maybe creeping up to 12 across Ireland and southwest England by the end of the day. And then we move through into bank holiday weekend. And what we find for the weekend is that weather will be staying unsettled, but the flow will be returning back to the west. So day by day, we should start to lift the temperatures. We should go into a recovery mode, if you like, with the temperatures. I think we'll start Saturday still with some showery bursts of rain, maybe a bit of sleet in the northeast. That should clear away, and then have a brightish day, but clouds bubbling up to produce a scattering of showers, perhaps the showers most likely in the east and the south this time. There'll almost universally be of rain, I think, on Saturday, being showered, because the wind, as I say, it's backing into the west. So temperatures will be a little bit higher, still below average. Don't be running away with the idea it's going to be warm. It won't be. The temperatures will still be below average, but ranging from around, say, 7 to 13 Celsius. 13 Celsius is 55 in Fahrenheit. And then we go through into Sunday, and we'll bring a weather system across the country overnight Saturday into Sunday, with another weather system waiting in the wings for Bank Holiday Monday. So it is going to be a very changeable Bank Holiday weekend. I think we'll start off Sunday with outbreaks of rain spreading south and east across the country. That could linger for quite a while in the far south. Elsewhere it'll brighten up, but with a mix of showers and sunny spells coming through to the rest of the country. Winds becoming fairly strong from westerly direction, but temperatures lifting up, so probably reaching around 14 Celsius in the southeast. That's 57 Fahrenheit on Sunday afternoon. And then Bank Holiday Monday looking like this. Deep area of low pressure to the north of Scotland, so obviously going to be changeable. There'll be a weather system again spreading across the country overnight Sunday and into Monday. If we time this right, some places might see most of the rain over the weekend in the overnight periods. Actually, the daytimes might not be too bad. So another batch of rain to start with on Bank Holiday Monday morning, particularly in the east, but it'll clear away through the day, and then these strong westerly winds will be blowing in sunshine and showers. The showers particularly in the north and west, but all areas will be at risk of some showers. The east coast, perhaps the best one to go to, because despite that rain first thing on Bank Holiday Monday morning, hopefully once that gets out of the way, we might not see too many showers coming through, and actually it may be on the eastern side a mostly dry Bank Holiday Monday. Temperatures again up a little bit, so now we're between around, say, 8 and 15 Celsius. 15 Celsius is 59 Fahrenheit, and it's almost back to where you would expect us to be at the start of May. Maybe still a little bit cooler than average by perhaps about half a degree or a degree or so, but generally it's back towards average temperatures by the end of the bank holiday. Finally, having a look at the charts from the Weather Outlook so that you can see the weather in your area over the next 5 days. So we've got lots of showers coming up today. Some showers will be heavy. There is a risk of snow, particularly over high ground. Hail, thunder, lightning, rain, sleet, everything's going to be mixed in, and the kitchen sink as well. We go through into Thursday, and there'll be more showers in the south, but more persistent rain coming into the north and the west through the course of the day, turning to snow as it moves into that cold air, particularly across Scotland. This is showing Mostly snow actually for Scotland. Some snow coming down in towards northern England as well. And that rain could turn to snow even across parts of eastern England and the Midlands, actually, as we go through into Thursday evening. That's a suggestion, anyway, with rain further south than that. We will have a look at this on Snow Watch this evening. Friday, it's back to showery conditions, with the snow mostly receding towards the highest ground, generally turning towards rain elsewhere. And then we go through into Saturday, and it's sunshine and rain showers almost universally by this point. Sunday starts off with a batch of cloud and rain spreading south and east across the country, followed by more showery conditions in the northwest. It does suggest that the rain could linger on in the south, though, through much of the day, so watch out for that. And then Bank Holiday Monday, again, repeat performance of Sunday, really. We'll start off with a band of cloud and rain spreading across the country, eventually replaced by brighter skies and showers. And temperatures lifting up day by day over the bank holiday weekend. So in summary, it's going to be starting off very, very cold, and usually cold, with a risk of significant night frost, heavy showers, rain, sleet, snow, and accumulations of snow definitely not out of the question over highest ground. There might be a snow event in central northern parts of the country late Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. Come back to Snow Watch on that one. And then after that, it's a case of rain, showers, or longer spells of rain on Friday and through the bank holiday weekend. The difference will be that with the wind reverting back to the west, temperatures will begin to recover very, very gradually. So by the time you get through to bank holiday Monday, temperatures should be back towards the long-term average. That's it for now. Come back later on for the update for the month ahead from Beijing Climate Centre. I say this evening, have a look at Snow Watch. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.